Hey folks, it's Josh with TechBee. In this video, let's check out the most suitable models for you based on price, performance, durability, and more. If you wish to know more, go through the links given down the description. Let's get started.
The best running headphones should help boost your performance and keep your mind occupied while you run. They also need to stay in place, no matter how vigorous your workout may be, and if they make your music sound fantastic, even better.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
Beats Powerbeats Pro. The latest true wireless earbuds, the Powerbeats Pro from Beats, is unique. They're supremely comfortable, sound decent, and seem to never ever fall out, which is why we think that they're the best running headphones of 2020. They're ideal for running thanks to their close-fitting ear hooks and IPX4 sweat-proof rating, as well as nifty additions like the pressure-reducing micro-laser barometric venting hole, their long battery life, and their superior sound quality. They also perform their best in near-quiet environments like your office, your home, or your gym, because you can use hands-free Siri. They're great for setting timers in between sets and placing calls to friends and clients.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
The Sennheiser CX Sport. If the most crucial aspect of choosing the best running headphones for you is the audio quality, these wireless buds from Sennheiser could be a fantastic choice. With a lively, bass-heavy presentation and a comfortable fit, the Sennheiser CX Sport wireless earphones can bolster your running performance through sound quality alone. They don't come with a heart rate monitor, but the inclusion of ear fins and sporty neon color scheme makes them ideal for casual workouts. With a battery life of 6 hours, they're great for your average running session or even your daily commute, but marathon runners will want to look somewhere else.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
The Aftershokz Aeropex. The Aftershokz Aeropex is the best bone conduction sports headphone you can buy right now. They have been in the running headphones game for a few years now, and in that time, it's had one goal: to build open earphones. You can run, cycle, and work out, all without entirely blocking out the world around you. With its latest, the Aeropex, it's managed to wrap that tech in something slimmer and more durable, all while adding new bone conduction tech to improve sound quality. They're more expensive than its Trex Air headphones, which launched back in 2017. But for runners particularly, Aftershokz has fast become the go-to option as more races impose bans on closed headphones and in-ear headphones due to safety concerns.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
Adidas RPT-01. If you're looking for some rugged running headphones, the Adidas RPT-01 could be a good fit. Sure, not everyone wants to wear on-ear headphones while working out, but the breathable design of these Adidas cans means you won't overheat. The knitted headband and ear cushions can even be removed and washed after particularly sweaty sessions. Plus, with 40-hour battery life, they'll last you for multiple marathons. While the sound quality isn't the finest we've ever heard, the RPT-01s are suitably loud and bassy, which is something you'll want to push you through that final lap. They're certainly the best running headphones we've tested with this form factor.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
The Jaybird X4. By the yearly refresh of the popular mid-range model, the Jaybird X4 manages to outdo both the previous X2 and X3 with an upgraded IPX7 water resistance rating. Whether you're sweating buckets or running doggedly throughout the rain, the X4 will cope with it. The Jaybird X4s also manages to keep the series surprisingly good sounding. These earphones are absolute fitness first, but that doesn't mean the other things people look for in a pair of earphones have fallen by the wayside. Its excellent app also provides easy EQ customization and the ability to make your own sound profile, with various ear tip sizes to boot. They are just about the most flexible kind of wireless earphones. You don't further have to recharge them every 3 hours like a real wireless pair. And as there's no chunky neckband, you can slip them in your pocket.
If comfort is critical to you, then you'd love this next model. It's one of the most comfortable models out there.
Bose SoundSport. If you need your power song to push you through that extra mile, then the Bose SoundSport might give you that additional force you're looking for. With the Audio Heavyweight's unmistakable sound signature, these lightweight buds feature a comfortable and secure fit thanks to the Stay Here Plus tips. For runners with NFC-enabled smartphones and music players, the SoundSport buds can be paired in the blink of an eye. Further, the Bose Connect app allows music sharing with more than one earbud pair, ideal if you're running with a buddy. The SoundSport range comes in 2 flavors. For an extra $50, you can pick up the Pulse Edition, which features a built-in heart rate monitor. Depending on your training method, this could be a worthwhile investment.
If comfort is critical to you, then you'd love this next model. It's one of the most comfortable models out there.
The JBL Under Armour Flash. The Under Armour True Wireless Flash earbuds are a solid entry into the right wireless market, with intense audio, ergonomic design, and hefty battery life. Its 2 smart noise technologies help these earbuds stand out. Tapping the left earbud once will activate talk-through, which quietens audio for a short conversation. Or when you need to be on alert, with ambient aware, simply tap the left earbud twice. It recreates outside noise using external microphones. These earbuds have stamina rather than convenience though, and the charging case can feel like a bit of a brick to carry around, especially during exercise. You also won't get any speed charging features here, meaning you shouldn't wait until 5 minutes before a workout to plug the case into the wall. But for the sporty among you, the pros should undoubtedly outweigh the cons.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.